Good morning. Myself Prabharan J, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is Mason gain formula from Unit 1, that is control system modeling. From the subject name is linear control system. Let us discuss. This Mason's gain formula is an important method used to find the overall transfer function of a system represented using a signal flow graph. This method is especially useful when systems become complex and difficult to simplify using block diagram reduction. And its challenges is students usually face two main difficulty while solving signal flow graphs. First one is identifying all forward path without missing any or repeating nodes, and second challenge is detecting every loop, especially when loops overlap or share nodes. Mason's formula help us systematically solve these two problems. The Mason's gain formula you can see on your screen, which is T equal to summation K equal to 1 to N P suffix K del suffix K divided by del. Okay. T represent the overall transfer function. P suffix K represent the gain of the kth forward path, and capital N is represent the number of forward path. Delta, delta is represent the determinant of the graph. This delta we have discussed previous video, and del suffix k is represent the determinant of the graph with loops non-touching the kth forward path. Okay, let I discuss the forward path gain. A forward path is a path that starts from input and reaches output without visiting any node more than once. The forward path gain is calculated by multiplying all branch gains along that path. And next thing is loop gain. A loop is a closed loop that starts and ends at the same node without repeating nodes. The loop gain is simply the product of all gains along the loop. The third thing is non-touching loops. Already we have discussed it in previous video. When two or more loops do not share any common node, they are called non-touching loops. To calculate their combined effect, we multiply their loop gains. Let me do one small classroom activity. The question you can see on your screen. You have to find the value of question mark position. Let I discuss the determinant. Determinant is represented as a delta. Determinant is also called delta, which is calculated using the following expression. This expression you can see on your screen. Delta, which is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop gain plus sum of product of two non-touching loops minus sum of product of three non-touching loops, and so on. Here you can notice the alternating signs, which is minus, plus, and minus, plus, so on. Okay. So, to apply Mason's gain formula, we have to follow four steps. First one is identify all forward path and find loop gains, and to determine non-touching loop and substitute everything into the formula to compute the overall transfer function. let I check your understanding through the assessment quiz. Here we have two assessment quiz. First one is the primary purpose of Mason's gain formula is two option is which one is correct? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Option B is correct. Find transfer function from signal flow graph. And question number two is a forward path in a signal flow graph is defined as option C is correct. A path from input to output without repeating nodes. Okay. First question, option B is correct option, and second thing is option C is correct option. Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in next video lecture. Okay, thank you.